Next question is, using ruler and compasses only, construct triangle ABC in which AB equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter and CA equal to 5 centimeters. Find its in center. Mark it I. First triangle we have to draw, afterwards in center. First draw BC equal to 6 centimeter. This is B, this is C, 6 centimeters. Next, AB equal to 8 centimeter. From A to AB, from B to 8 centimeter, we have to draw one arc. Next, CA is equal to 5 centimeter. We have to take 5 centimeter with compass. C as center, cut that arc. There is intersecting these two arcs, we have to mention A. Join AC and AB. Next, in center we have to draw. In center means triangle. Circle, it will touch all sides of a triangle. That we have to draw here. Two angles bisecting we have to draw. Two angles bisecting. Next, this side also same. We have to join lines. From C to draw one line and B to draw one perpendicular bisector. There is intersecting these two lines that we have to mention I. See our problem. First, second problem, find its in center. We drawn in center and mark it I. I we got. With I as a center, draw a circle which will cut off 2 centimeter chords from each side of the triangle. Here we have to draw one circle. In center means this circle, it will touch all sides of a triangle. But what they are saying, 2 centimeters. This circle, it will touch these lines, all sides of a triangle, 2 centimeters distance. First we have to draw I as a center. We should cut any one side. Like this we have to cut, and perpendicular bisector. From I to perpendicular bisector we have to draw. Here to here and here to here we have to draw. Join that. Like this. And now 2 centimeter. This is perpendicular bisector from center I. From center I to this side 1 centimeter and this side 1 centimeter. We have to take. This is 1 point and this is 1 point. This is 2 centimeter. From I to, we have to take first point distance. Draw one circle. Should observe here. This is 2 centimeter. This is a circle and this is the chord of this circle. 2 centimeters distance. Here also same thing. Here 2 centimeter and this side is 2 centimeter. This is our required diagram. Next, problem number 11. Draw a circle circumscribing a regular hexagon with side 5 centimeter. Hexagon means 6-sided polygon. Each side 5 centimeter. And each interior angle we have to find out. Each interior angle formula 2n minus 4 by n into 90. Hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides. So first interior angle we have to find out. 2 into 6 minus 4 by 6 into 90 degrees is equal to 12 minus 4 by 6 into 90 degrees. Here 12 minus 4, 8 by 6 into 90 degrees. Here 3 2 just 3 30 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 15 just. Here 15 8 ja, 120 degrees. So each interior angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degrees. Each side 5 centimeter. We have to draw circumscribing regular hexagon. First circle we have to draw. In easy way, I am saying draw one circle here. This is 5 centimeter circle and this is center of the circle. O. First, any point we have to take on circumference of the circle. That we have to mention some A. From A to, we have to draw one arc. You should cut circumference. And this is point B. And again, total how many angles? 6 angles it will come. This is angle C. This is D. Same measurement. And this is E. And this is F. And this is C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. We have to join AB line. AB, we have to join A and B point. Next, B and C point. Next, C and D point. Next, D and E point. Next, E and A point. E and A point. This is regular hexagon. And circumscribing circle. Circumscribing circle, when we have to draw any two sides perpendicular bisector, we have to draw. So perpendicular bisectors we have to draw now. Any two sides. Draw one line. This is perpendicular bisector of AF. This line is passing through O. Next, one more side. Perpendicular bisector. Again, here we have to draw one line. This line also passing through O. This is circumscribing a regular hexagon with the side 5 centimeter. Next problem is 12th one. Draw an inscribed circle of regular hexagon of side 5.8 centimeter. Already we did the same type of problem in 11th one. So directly I have drawn here, but inscribed circle we have to draw in this problem. I did a circumscribed circle, but we want inscribed circle. Here only I will do inscribed circle. How to draw? Till here already we know how to find out each interior angle of a regular hexagon. 120 degrees. We can use this formula and we can find out each interior angle. Next, O is the center of the circle. We have to take each side how many centimeter? 5.8 centimeter. With O as a center and draw one 5.8 centimeter circle, and each 5.8 centimeter one arc we have to draw, and we will draw one regular hexagon. Till here we know we learn in 11th problem. Now we have to draw inscribed circle. Inscribed circle means how to draw two angles bisecting. Two angles we have to draw bisecting. Our wish, any one side, any two angles we have to draw. We have to do bisecting. I will take A and B angles bisecting. Draw lines here. From O point to A point. From B point to passing these arcs. This is O. Next, inscribed circle means compulsory O as the center, and we should find out first radius. So that purpose, from O as a center, we should cut AB line. AB line. Like this we have to cut. See here, AB line, it will touch two points. From there to we have to draw arcs. Down one arc. From here to cut that arcs. Join O to these arcs. Where is this perpendicular bisector? Where is intersecting AB? That we have to mention some P letter. From O to P, how much distance is there? From there to we have to draw inscribed circle. Inscribed circle, it will touch all sides of a regular hexagon. See, I will rub here outside circle. You should observe here outside circle I rubbed. Only circle is touching all sides of a regular hexagon. This is our required diagram.